So you've just installed your C-more software, but USB and Ethernet connections are not working. Well, follow along with me and I'll tell you what you need to know. To properly install the C-more software, security settings must be disabled first. The program needs permissions from your computer to change settings, and security firewalls prevent the software from installing correctly. This might be the issue if you did not disable these settings in the original install. To test with a USB cable, open Windows Device Manager and plug in the USB to the EA9 panel. If it shows up under Network Adapters as C-more EA9, then the install was successful and your device should operate correctly. If C-more EA9 displays in another location, then you might have to reinstall the software and/or the USB driver. Links to the latest software can be found on the Automation Direct website, link in the description below. The USB connection will test the software and driver installation, even if you want to move to Ethernet connection later on. The next step is to see if Windows is blocking communications. The Windows Defender Firewall settings control both USB and Ethernet communications. There are two methods to accomplish this. Let's take a look at method 1. First, open the Windows control panel and select Windows Defender Firewall. Select Allow an app or feature. Select the Change Settings button. Look for the C-more programming software application. If the selection is there, skip these next few steps. If it is not, then you'll have to add it. Select Allow another app button and click Browse. Navigate to your C-more installation folder. It should be similar to this link. Select EA-PGM.exe and click Open. You should now have the C-more application showing, so just click the Add button and select the checkbox for the C-more application private and public selections. Let's take a look at method 2. Open Windows Control Panel and select Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Advanced Settings. Select Inbound Rules and make sure that C-more programming software shows up on the list and there is a yes under Enables and action is allowed. If C-more is not on the list, you will need to add a new rule. Contact your IT department for further instructions on changing the Windows settings. If you do not have admin privileges or permissions to change rules, Automation Direct may not be able to resolve your issue. Remember, the Windows Defender Firewall settings are for both USB and Ethernet communications. Once the settings are enabled, you should be able to freely use your EA9 panels. If the settings do not work, contact your local IT professional, as there could be other software blocking communications. If this didn't solve the issue, please contact our award-winning technical support. We're always happy to help here at Automation Direct.